I am Dr. Jonathan Cabin. I'm a facial plastic surgeon in Arlington, Virginia. Recently invested in a piezo ultrasound machine to do more precise rhinoplasty and came down here to do a cadaver course with Dr. Rick Davis to get a little bit more hands-on experience with the machine before I start using it with my own patients. From the moment I walked in, fantastic. These guys know how to take care of you. There was breakfast. We had a little didactic where Dr. Davis gave a presentation, and then we headed into the cadaver lab where we each had one cadaver head to practice with the piezo and to practice some techniques that Dr. Davis went through. Marina Medical and bringing you the masters is a really unique situation where you not only have high quality world-class instruments, but you also have high quality world-class education and sort of married into one. Not only videos, but live courses and things that really help you stay on the cutting edge of techniques and procedural maneuvers that help all of us improve day to day.